Hello from rainy Liverpool. I am about to check in on DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel and Spa here in Liverpool and check this hotel. I'm actually member of Hilton Honor program, so hopefully they will recognize me. Let's check in.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
This is lobby and reception. It's actually really nice. There is some bar over here. Really nice. Actually, you can order some food here as well if you want. They do a special offer here if you want. Oh, this is really nice elevator. It's like old style. It's really historic building. I'm looking forward to see my room. There is cigar terrace. If you smoke, you can come here. They actually sell some cigar here if you need. And here is a terrace. It's nice, it's outside and it's with a roof. So even on a rainy day you can sit here and have some drinks and your cigar. Perfect. I am already in my room. It's nice, it's really nice. I will show you in a second, and we will start with a wardrobe. It's here, front door, and straight away to wardrobe. Safe, some hangers, mini bar, which is empty. Massive mirror here. You probably can see lots of stain here on the carpet. They should probably clean it. A bed, king size bed, nice, clean. We got some complimentary cookies. They're really fresh, still hot. And a baklava. I love baklava. And water, coffee, tea. You can order some drinks if you want, or some food. A big TV. A chair with small table. Let's check the view. And ta-da! And there is just a street. Actually, I don't think there is any view from this hotel, but it's fine. Location is actually perfect. You have everything nearby. Yeah, guys, check this. They should do like a deep clean. Otherwise, it's really good. It's actually clean, but like, you know, some minor errors here and there. A bathroom. We have a bath here, which is really nice, really deep, and a shower over here. And sink with a toilet. Yep. What else do you want? It's actually really decent room. I will tell you the price at the end of the video. And they do have a spa, which I'm going to check, but firstly, I got a complimentary drink, so I'm going to the bar. Here is bar/restaurant. Hello.
How are you?
Good, good, and you? They have good selection of drinks if you want. And we are going to enjoy our complimentary drink. They do some signature cocktails here. And this looks really fancy. And they also have some typical cocktails. If you fancy some. Here is gym. Good morning from Liverpool. I'm checking out of DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel here in Liverpool. I must say it was nice day, but few errors. Definitely this is not a spa hotel. It's not included in your stay. Actually, I was looking forward to get some rest, but you need to pay extra. So I did not visit a spa. It is, I think, 25 or 30 pounds per person. So I don't understand why they call it hotel and spa, because I never experienced that before. If you have a spa in hotel, it's usually complimentary for you. Anyway, we pay £79 per room for 2 adults with a breakfast. Breakfast was fine, lots of options. Room, like space wise, it was fine, nice big room, but cleaning wasn't 100%. Definitely they need to hoover properly, like whole hotel corridors, etc. So minus point for cleaning, but location perfect in the middle of city, and price wise really good as well. Actually parking, you can park like 2 minutes from a hotel for 14 pounds per night, which is fine as well. That's it for today, and stay safe, take care, and see you later. Bye bye.